Hello guys, in this video we'll interface ESP32 with ADXL345 sensor over SPI communication. So let's get started. We'll take a on interval event node. We'll take a array create node. Connect with the flow in the array create node. We'll select declare with value. Here we'll enter the value which you want to send of 49 10. Data type uint 8. Click done. We'll take a SPI transfer node. Here we'll first configure the settings of a SPI in the first node. So we'll configure SPI node. We'll enter MOSI pin, MISO pin, SCLK pin, chip select pin. In the advanced, we'll select the clock priority high, clock phase high, chord HD pin -1, chord W pin -1, max transfer size bytes will keep 32, will keep frequency, will enter frequency, command bits, length 0, address bit, length 0, dummy bits, length 0, and will deselect transmitter LSB first, and will also deselect receiver LSB first, and will deselect the active chip select positive. Click add. In the output parameter, we'll get RX buffer. We'll take one more array create node. Connect with the flow. In the array create node, we'll select declare with value. In the value, we'll enter 128. Data type uint 8. Click done. We'll take a SPI transfer node. We'll read the device ID which is present at the register address 128 in decimal. We'll select the SPI config. In the transmitter buffer, we'll pass our array variable. In the receive length bits, we'll enter 8. Click done. We'll take a string node. Connect with the flow. The string node will pass here. In the buffer, we'll pass RX buffer variable. We'll select print buffer as hexadecimal. Click done. Save the flow. Verify the flow. Okay, so there's some error in the flow. Let me just check the variable names. Maybe issue with that. Oh yeah, I haven't sent my array variable passed. I haven't passed my array variable here. That was the issue. Click done. Re-verify the flow. Yeah, and we are good to upload it. Go to serial display. Select port, and as you can see, we got our device ID in hexadecimal, which is E5.